Welcome to Toro NSN's Training in 10, an innovative, self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. Today's topic is utilizing the manual irrigation start screens in SitePro. While this presentation is focused on SitePro 2.0 versions and higher, the principles apply to all versions of SitePro. This training module will cover topics including how to utilize the manual irrigation start screen, its functions of starting an individual program, starting an individual program with a different runtime, starting an individual station, starting multiple stations with same runtimes, starting multiple stations with different run times, and other future Training in 10 options designed to help you become a better manager of your Toro SitePro system. Let's get started by going to the manual start screen. The icon is highlighted in purple. This is the manual start screen. The first page that opens up is the programs. The programs are listed in this area for selection at the drop-down. Once you click the drop-down, you can scroll between all of the programs that have been set up in your SitePro system to manually start from this screen. Once you have selected a program on this screen, such as greens, then all you will need to do is click Send. If you are using a network system, LTC, LTC+, Network 8, or VP, that program will have needed to have been downloaded to the satellite prior to attempting to manually start. With network systems, you can start multiple programs one at a time from this screen. If you are utilizing an OSMAC or one of our decoder systems, you can only start one program at a time. If you start a second program, the first program will be turned off. You have the ability to filter the system to an individual group if you had a group for front 9 and back 9 by choosing the group here. You also have the ability to filter it even farther by selecting the individual satellite that you would want to run the program in here. Now we can start an individual program such as greens in Group 1, Satellite 1, the Greens program, and we would click Start. Remember, in a network system, it needs to have been downloaded prior. If you would want to start a program with a different than the normal runtime, then you would need to select Syringe Test Cycle by placing a check in this box. Now you can adjust this runtime. It is not affected by percent adjustments. Now all you would have to do is click the Send button for the greens to irrigate for only 3 minutes. Again, percent adjustments do not affect the syringe test cycle mode. If you wish to start up to 6 individual stations in a satellite from the central, you can click on the Multi-Manual sub-tab. This is the individual station start screen. This allows you to start up to 6 different stations within an individual group an individual satellite. In this area, you can select the individual station number. Here, you can adjust the runtime. You cannot select the same station twice on this screen. This now shows that we have selected 6 stations to prepare to run manually. This screen now shows 6 different stations running with different run times. If you are utilizing Network VP or 8000, the run times on the stations will all be the same. Now, to start these stations, just click on the Send button. We have now covered the program manual start and the station manual start from the central. Well, another 10 minutes have gone by and you have just completed another episode of NSN's Training in 10. Today's topic has been utilizing the manual irrigation start screens in SitePro. We hope that this Training in 10 lesson was helpful for you to better understand this helpful tool, and that it helps further enhance your career working with the #1 irrigation central control product available, Toro SitePro. Be sure to keep looking for future installments of NSN's Training in 10, the self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. If you have any questions about this or about future training module releases, or if you would like to participate in one of our acclaimed Toro SitePro regional training classes, please contact us by calling 888-676-8676 option 2. Once again, that's 888-676-8676 option 2. Toro and Toro's National Support Network.